Whether in a stand-up or sit-down forklift, OSHA regulations require that you fully understand the hazards, the maintenance, and the operations of these vehicles. This course will cover safety regulations and how to avoid common safety hazards to keep both yourself and any bystanders safe while operating a stand-up or sit-down forklift. You will learn the mechanics, the anatomy of both lifts along with attachments and accessories. Many workplace accidents involve people being hit or run over by forklift trucks, typically when the forklift is reversing. Because the driver did not see them, owing to their size, weight, injuries resulting from forklifts are generally very serious. Accidents involving them are often caused by poor supervision and a lack of training. So in this course, I will go over some of the topics this tutorial will cover. Forklift safety procedures. Visual checks. Some of the visual checks will consist of general condition, forks, check for leaks, learn the different type of energy source, hydraulics, tires and wheels. You will learn the correct lift to use in a proper environment, how to properly maneuver around in the warehouse or material yard with your load, how to go over the operational check of the lift, which you will be taught how to check the ignition and electrical systems, reverse and alarm and horn, warning lights and lights if fitted, hydraulic controls, brakes, foot and parking, clutch and gear shifts. Please don't get overwhelmed by all the checklists that are given. This course is a go at your own pace where there is no time limit on getting it done. Save progress as you go along. The course is explained to you in the simplest form, so there's no second guessing what was just said. Once upon completing the course, you can print out your certificate. These courses I have on my channel are at the best price for getting certified. Some courses prices fluctuate due to their demands. Some jobs take on forklift drivers and give them a bogus course that they got offline and draw up their own questions and do a verbal with the class for the answers. This is not being fully certified, and the reason for that is the pay scale that is given. If you go through the door with the resume and certification as a qualified lift operator, you can start getting paid your worth. A lot of companies hold on to your certifications when the company sponsors it, so you can't shop it elsewhere. Here, the certification is yours to keep, and you can shop it around through any town or state. Thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. Please be sure to like, follow, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Please leave comments below to make sure I get an algorithm going so you won't miss out on any new course tutorials I may create. Music is provided by Ben Sound. Go check out some of his royalty-free music beat downloads and also thousands of selections to purchase. His link will also be in the description below. Many thanks, Markie Williams. I'm out.